In this video, I'm going to show you how to send or transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. A lot of people get confused with this process, so I'll walk you through step by step to make sure it works smoothly for you. The first thing you want to do is open up the Cash App application, because we'll need to grab a deposit address from Cash App to receive the crypto. On the home screen, tap your balance at the bottom menu. From here, choose the asset you want to receive. Cash App currently supports Bitcoin, so in this tutorial, we'll use Bitcoin as the example. Now, once you select Bitcoin, tap on the option that says Deposit or Receive. You'll see a screen with a QR code and a long string of letters and numbers. That's your unique Bitcoin wallet address for Cash App. Tap the copy button to save that address. This is what we'll paste into Trust Wallet to send the funds. With that ready, open your Trust Wallet app. On the main screen, find the coin you want to send. Since we're working with Bitcoin, select Bitcoin from your wallet. Then tap on Send. In the address field, paste the Bitcoin address you copied from Cash App. Make sure that the coin and the network match exactly. If you try to send Ethereum, USDC, or any other token to your Cash App Bitcoin wallet, the transaction will fail and your funds could be lost. Always double check that you are sending Bitcoin to a Bitcoin address. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to transfer. You can either type in a specific amount or tap Max to send your entire balance. Once you've entered the amount, tap Next. You'll then see a confirmation screen with the details of the transaction. Review the wallet address carefully one more time, because once you confirm, the transfer can't be reversed. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm to send. The transaction will be processed on the Bitcoin network, so it may take a few minutes to complete depending on network congestion. After it's confirmed, the Bitcoin should appear inside your Cash App balance. From there, you can hold it, sell it for cash, or withdraw directly to your linked bank account. And that's how you transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App, step by step. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.